Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reject FedEx package very easily. Right, so this is very easy thing to do. So there are certain ways where you can do it. The very first thing is refuse the package at the time of delivery. Right, so this is very important. So whenever the FedEx driver attempt to deliver the package, you can simply refuse to accept it. The driver may ask you to sign a confirmation of the refusal, and they will take the package back to the delivery depot. FedEx will then contact the shipper to inform them your decision that you don't want to accept or return, right? So the second thing is that you can just do it very early and the delivery guy will not come to your home. That is, call FedEx customer service and request to refuse the package before delivery. The third option, which is very easy, if the package is delivered without you being present, you can still refuse it. Take the package to the FedEx location, such as FedEx office store, and inform them that you are refusing the delivery. You don't want to accept it. The same case can be applied on that you want to return this product, right? So, but make sure to keep in this mind that refusing a package doesn't mean that necessarily absolve you of any obligations to the shipper, such as payment or return. It doesn't mean that you will get a refund, right? So it depends upon the terms and conditions of the shipper as well as the product from the seller from whom you purchase the product. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.